Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to this demo of PixlyPro. Now, what this is it's a software that lets you take advantage of the cheap advertising online done via retargeting. Now, if you've advertised on Facebook, for example, you'd know what I mean. Okay, with Facebook advertising and Google advertising, you can run ads that just appeal to anyone, a set audience that you have built up. Now, this can cost you a lot of money because not a lot of those people click through, and then also because of those people that do click through, it depends if you're going on in impressions and clicks, the conversions can be quite low. Now, one of the best and most effective ways to be able to run advertising on these networks is using retargeting. Retargeting takes people that have already visited your site or have clicked through your link or already shown an interest in what you're advertising and brings them back, and the cost is quite cheap, okay? When you consider how many people make it back to your site and then how many people convert. This is perfect for building leads, lists with leads, and also even just sales on a sales page. We run them all the time in our business here selling software, and also in my other business selling clothing. People who have viewed it on one of our stores retargeted. There's a pixel in the page and it shows that same clothing to them on Facebook. Now, building the retargeting list is the key. That's where PixlyPro comes in. It lets you lean on other authority sites on their websites. Things like this, say for example, this how to make money on with blogging, a case study. Okay, if you shared this on a social network, it's naturally going to get a lot of people looking at it. That traffic is going to view this. However, what's the point in that? Because this website is nothing to do with you. That's where PixlyPro comes in. Okay, what you can do is you can take this website, put it in here, and give it its own unique URL that you can then share. PixlyPro is going to take this website, it's going to recreate it, and it's going to allow you to put a call to action over the top of it to either opt into a list or take them through to a sales page. Now, that is just the first step. The second step is every person who's clicked on this through the link you share can be retargeted. This lets you build a retargeting list. I'm going to show you what you can retarget for. Sorry, logged myself out there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to pixels. Okay, and you can see you can add a pixel. So I'll just put a whole bunch of demo pixels in. But let's go in here. You got Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google AdWords, LinkedIn, and Quora. So what this means is every time someone clicks your link to visit this website, say for example I shorten this link and put it on Facebook, and then they click through. If they visit Facebook, if they visit Twitter, if they visit Pinterest, Google, LinkedIn, or Quora, they will be shown a retargeting ad from you to bring them back to that link or bring them back to where you want them to. So that allows you to be able to reach a much broader range of people over 6 different networks through one central link. Now, how do we create these links? So I've added in a pixel here. You put in your pixel name, the pixel ID. This is the unique identifier for these networks to know people have visited your account. Okay, what you can do is you can create a call to action to go over any page. So we can create using a template. As you can see, we've got buttons, we've got forms, opt-in forms to capture leads, or even just a basic CTA button to go through to a website, some with an image as well. So let's call this demo 1. Position, we want this to show up in the bottom left. I'm going to say this: do you want to learn how to make money online? Okay, button text, yes, tell me. Okay, and what I'll do for this URL is let's just take them through to my bonus page. This will go through to the Pixly page just for the sake of a demonstration. I'm going to click create. So I've created my call to action. Let's jump back into the dashboard. So now to create my unique link, I take my pixels that I wanted to go on. So I've got the demo pixel, which is Facebook. I got Twitter, I got Google. Okay, I'll just do those 3. I could select as many as I want, but let's just do those 3 for this demo. I'm going to go in about taking this smart blogger, and I'm going to put that in and shorten this URL. Now I've shortened this URL. Here it is here. What I can do is I go copy this shortened URL, and I can now share this over Facebook in a post or email or whatever I want. So let's just paste this in. Okay, so it's loaded up the link, and that is all go there now. Now what we're going to want to do is if we go back into there and go edit, what I want to do is select my call to action. Let's do the demo 1 call to action that I put on. So this is just purely if you want to build a retargeting list through people visiting this link. Now let's just say we want to call them to action and get them to do something. Let's just close that. We'll copy this link again. now that we've got our call to action, and put it in here. There we go. Here we've got the pop-up here. It says yes, tell me more, close. So what I can do is I click this, and this takes me to the bonus page link that I just put in. So you can see how easy it is to be able to put something like this over to drive traffic where you want it to as well. However, all at the same time, building a retargeting list, so every person who sees this page through my unique link is then going to you're going to be able to run ads to them via your retargeting pixels in all of those networks I just showed you. So hopefully that's a good explanation of how PixlyPro works. To check it out in more detail, check it out on the bonus page down below for more information.